Ikuu irathingithirie itura ria Kauntiini kauntiini ya Nakuru ciuria nyingi riu ikiyumiria cia nuu ukomete wira-ini wake wigie kuhitana na urugi wa njohi njikirire mukana na iria ithiete na mbere na kwananga mbeu njithi. Ngabana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui riu akiorota minista wa ugitiri wa thiinii guku bururi-ini Dr Fred Matiang'i na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini no Karanja Kibicho akiuga ni maremetwo ni guthingata wathani wa matura kuhurana na njohi njuragani.
In the past made a passionate request to our law enforcers to ensure that we do everything possible to ensure that we stop the sale and consumption of these illicit brews. Despite our pleas, I want to confirm that very dangerous chemicals still continue to be sold to our people in the name of alcohol.
Akierekeria marakara make na maruru kuri ministry ya ugitiri, Kinyanjui nionanitie kwaga kuiganira na uria mibango ya kuhukia njohi ugwati ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere.
They need to get to 20 so that they can see the seriousness. If this disaster had happened in an upmarket pub in Westlands or in Muthaiga, they would be busy there trying to solve that problem. But because this problem is only in the slum areas and in the poor areas of our people, they have no interest.
Ashakaite kwaga gukinyira ministry no mahinda kwa mahinda guku akiuga ihinda ni ikinyu kugia na mugaruruku marumu maria megutigirira njohi cia ibango ni ciahuka kaimana.
The women in this county have also told me they are tired of seeing their sons, their husbands becoming wasted because of alcohol. There is no way methanol can come into the country, itengenezwe mpaka iletewe watu without government knowing. We have a whole intelligence system in Kenya that is very effective. If we wanted to bring down the sale of illicit alcohol, it can happen.
Kinyanjui arauga muhinga munene hari kuhurana na njohi ici njikirire mukana kaunti-ini ino ni amwe a maabitha a borithi kuoya mahaki kuma kuri andu aria makoretwo makimiruga.
The unfortunate story is that where the deaths occurred is exactly 200 meters from Kiguine police station. That same Kiguine police station, instead of coming to help us prevent that, they collect money from the brewers every day to ensure that they protect these brewers. And therefore, we want also to confirm we are tired of burying our young men.
Augite wiari sheba kunyitanira na muingi wa kaunti ya Nakuru kuhitana na njohi ici angikorwo honge cia ugitiri itikugarurira mitugo ya kuoyaga mahaki.
Sisi tutashikana na wananchi na kina mama na wote, na mahali pombe inauzwa, we are going to deal with it. The sellers, the brewers who are doing that, we will deal with them, and we are ready for the consequences. If that is what is going to save the next generation, we are ready for it. If that is going to save our young men from becoming zombies, we are ready for the consequences.
Maya magithiaga na mbere maumirira ma postmortem ma miri ya andu ikumi aria meriga gukua kumana na kuhinda njohi cia ibango matanyitwo kurekererio mwambiririo wa kiumia giukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.